and we're here tonight to do a YouTube video. So the product that I'll be reviewing tonight is this one-step hot air brush that I ordered from Amazon. It was $28.99. Basically what it is a blow dryer, but the end of it is like one of those detangling brushes or whatever. So I'm gonna try that out tonight on Miracle's hair for the first time. As you can see, it's still in the box. It hasn't been opened or none of that. But I'm not just gonna wash her hair just so I can show you guys how to use a brush. I'm actually gonna do the full wash day routine that I do on her hair, and I'll be showing y'all that as well. So the products that I'll be using is the Bella Curls shampoo, the conditioner, and then I will use the deep conditioning mask. So how I do that, I just simply wash her hair, and then I put in the deep conditioning mask. I'll let that sit under a shower cap for about 15 to 30 minutes. Then when I wash out the deep conditioner, I'll put in the leave-in conditioner. So then I will use the brush, and before I use the brush, I also got the Cantu Care for Kids, the detangling spray. So I'll be trying that out for the first time as well. Now, after I do that and use the brush, there is a mixture that I saw on YouTube, and that is mixing the Sulfur 8 grease with the DooGro grease. And I actually added the DooGro hair oil to that as well, so I will be using that tonight as well, just to grease her scalp after I blow dry. And then I'll just be doing a simple protective style or whatever. Alright y'all, so we hope y'all enjoyed the video, and we'll be back in the outro. Alright y'all, so I am finally finished washing her hair and using this hot air brush. And all I have to say is, This brush is the answer to all of my prayers. Like, where had this brush been all of my life? I was just able to detangle, blow dry, and straighten her hair all at one time. Like, this brush is everything. I bought it for my girls because I have another daughter too, but I'm gonna probably be using this in my hair too. Anyway, just look at her hair. It just looks and feels so silky. It's not tangled or nothing. So in the morning, because it's kind of late and she's tired and ready to go to bed, tomorrow morning I'm gonna use the grease mixture that I showed y'all earlier to, you know, just part her hair and grease her scalp or whatever, and then put it up in a protective style. But I just wanted to show y'all, you know, the finished result of drying her hair with this brush. So that's it, and we thank y'all for watching.
Bye.
Bye.